The KoAloha KoAlanas, tenor, concert, and soprano. Just in, we got another rendition, another version of the KoAlanas. They've changed over the years, and now they've gone to a new factory building them, and different wood, different finish, but for a KoAloha at this under about $200 price range, I mean, with a gig bag, you're getting a lot here.
I think when you factor in the price, these are a home run.
Yeah, yeah. So we got, first of all, just the nitro finish. So the satin nitro finish, as opposed to the last version had the high gloss on them. Sapele, all the way around, top, back, and sides. These are a laminate version, and you expect kind of at that price point.
At that price point.
But they feel solid. They feel nice. We talked earlier, the tuners, nice to have the gear tuners in it. We'll get back to that. Abalone rosette, and you have the traditional Masubi KoAloha.
Masubi, yeah.
Masubi, thank you. I'm always correcting me on my pronunciation of anything Hawaiian or Japanese. Rosewood neck, okumi necks on these, and then a Sapele head plate as well. And then, of course, you got the classic KoAloha crown. Differences here, we got, and I'll play these here, we'll just do it. So we got the soprano, 13.5-inch scale length. They all have the nice wide nut, which KoAloha is known for anyways, the 1.5-inch nut width. On these bone nut and saddles, which again is kind of an upgrade that you don't see all the time. So, and then you have the natural kind of satiny neck on it as well. So here's the soprano.
Not bad.
Yeah, nice. 13.5 scale length on this. Let's grab the concert. We have a dog sneaking in for the video.
And Bella.
So the concert's got a 14 and 7.75 scale length, still the nut, 1.5-inch nut width. These two both have the high G on them. Big sound like KoAloha.
For a laminate, you know, it's not obvious. It doesn't scream laminate like some instruments.
No. I mean, and what we said, like when you're holding it, you can feel that it's a solid body. I mean, a solidly built instrument. Yep. And it's got that kind of that big KoAloha sound that we're used to out of the Opios or out of their Made in Hawaii versions as well. The tenor, you got just slightly under 17-inch scale length, same nut width on it, but this one does have the low G on them, all fluorocarbon strings.
You know, you could almost trick people into thinking that's a solid with the tenor for sure, with the low G.
Yeah.
It booms.
Yeah, it's got a big sound to it. But anyway, congratulations to KoAloha on their KoAlana series soprano, concert, and tenor, available at
KoAlohaMusicStore.com.